Here is some footage from this LINGDU dashcam. I'll just show you some of this footage of me driving to work and back, or driving my son to school, so you can get an impression of what the video quality is like. I found if a car is about 2 lengths ahead, you can get the license plate. Anything beyond that and the angle is too wide to make out the license plate. I really like how easy this dash camera is to set up. This is how the dash cam arrives. This is everything that arrives in the packaging. You do have a manual and there's an app to download. Here's the QR code for the LINGDU app. It uses this USB-C cable, and then it also has an adapter that you can put in your cigarette lighter to plug that in for power. You got a tool to help you conceal the cord and some clips. The dash cam has double-sided sticky tape so you can attach it. It does come with one replacement, so if you ever need to take this off and then put it back on again, you can. And then it has this electrostatic film. One thing I would like to point out that you can't really see in this video, this is pretty heavy, like surprisingly heavy. I've tested webcams in the past and it's kind of just this lightweight plastic, but that is not the case for this. Here's the back end. On the side is where you plug in power. It does come with this included TF card that is 64 gigabytes, and you have the camera on the front. I recommend that you set the software up before you install it in the car so that you can make sure that everything is working. So I will plug this into USB-C. It has a little chime to indicate that it has turned on. Let's go ahead. Oh, that lets us know that recording has started and that Wi-Fi is on. So I found the LINGDU app in the Play Store. I'll go ahead and install it now. Open this up and give it the permissions that it needs. I finally got this to work. The problem was I was entering the wrong password. Here is the password for connecting. Once I connected to the Wi-Fi with that password, connected, quick and easy. So this is the dash cam. Let's go through some of the settings, then I'll put this in the car. You can turn audio on or off. You can stop recording. As soon as you put power in, it does record, but I'll stop recording since I don't need to record this. You can go look at the albums and see what it has recorded in the past, so you can see all these albums from before when I was trying to get this to work. So here we can set all the settings. I'll keep it mostly at the defaults. So you've got video resolution, loop recording 2 minutes, that's fine. Audio recording, let's go ahead and let's set the audio recording to on. G-sensor, medium, that's fine. Parking mode, so you can record if you're parking, but generally you'll want to do this if you have the power in your car for that. I'm going to leave this off. You can also have time lapse in the parking mode. GPS information. We are not connected to GPS inside, so we can't see anything there. Volume, I'm actually going to turn this off because I don't need it talking to me in the car. You'll always want a video stamp in case you do get in an accident. You can say when that happened. And those are the overall settings. So let's install this in the car and see how the footage is. Installing it in my car was really easy. I just cleaned the glass and used the adhesive to stick it to my window. Then I just fed the wires through the top of my car and into the cigarette lighter. This is one of those dash cameras where it's just kind of you set it and forget it. I only went through the setup process once and then I've just left it in my car, and that's all I need to do. It's good to go. It loops through the recording, so I always have the most recent footage, which is really nice. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I've reviewed a lot of dash cameras. The thing I like about this is it does have kind of a nice looking design. It looks nice in the car, but mostly I just like that it has good video quality and it's really quick and easy to set up, and I've had no issues at all with this. If you want to use even more features with this, like voice commands or driving assistance reminders, you can do that with this dash cam. I've been really happy with this. Thanks for watching.